What if I told you that ordinary animal bones can be transformed into valuable ingredients used in medicines around the world? Today, we're taking you inside a fascinating manufacturing process to discover how bones are transformed into pharmaceutical-grade ingredients in a modern factory. Let's begin. The process starts with the collection of animal bones from approved food processing facilities. These bones are transported to specialized processing plants where they undergo strict quality inspections. Workers and automated systems remove unwanted materials and sort the bones according to size and quality. Only selected raw materials that meet industry standards move to the next stage. This careful sorting process helps ensure consistency and safety throughout production. Once sorted, the bones are thoroughly washed to remove impurities before entering industrial processing systems. Next comes one of the most important steps: sterilization. The bones are exposed to high temperatures and pressure inside specialized equipment. This process eliminates bacteria and unwanted contaminants while preparing the material for further refinement. Modern pharmaceutical factories follow strict hygiene regulations and quality control standards during every stage of production. After sterilization, the bones become cleaner, safer, and ready for extraction processes. Advanced monitoring systems constantly check temperature, pressure, and processing conditions to maintain product quality. Now the real transformation begins. Using specialized industrial methods, manufacturers extract valuable compounds from the processed bones. One important product is collagen, a protein widely used in health supplements and medical applications. Another common product is pharmaceutical-grade gelatin, which is used to manufacture capsules for medicines. Some facilities also recover calcium-rich materials that can be refined into dietary supplements. Through carefully controlled extraction processes, manufacturers maximize the value of materials that would otherwise become waste. This approach supports both efficiency and sustainability. Once extracted, the materials must be purified. Large filtration systems remove remaining particles and impurities. The liquid solutions pass through multiple treatment stages designed to achieve pharmaceutical standards. Advanced laboratory testing ensures that purity levels meet strict requirements. Quality control specialists regularly collect samples for chemical and microbiological analysis. Only materials that pass these tests continue to the next stage of production. This level of precision is essential because pharmaceutical ingredients must meet extremely high safety standards. After purification, the materials are concentrated and dried. Industrial drying equipment removes moisture while preserving important properties of the ingredients. The resulting material may be transformed into powder, granules, or other forms depending on its intended use. Automated machinery carefully controls the process to maintain consistency. At this stage, the products are beginning to look very different from the original raw bones. What started as a byproduct is now becoming a valuable pharmaceutical ingredient. Finally, the finished materials are packaged and prepared for shipment. These ingredients may be supplied to pharmaceutical manufacturers, supplement companies, or medical product producers. They can eventually be used in capsules, health supplements, collagen products, and various industrial applications. Each batch is documented and tracked to ensure complete quality assurance and traceability. Before leaving the facility, the products undergo one final inspection. It's incredible to see how modern technology can transform what many people consider waste into valuable products used around the world. From collection and sterilization to extraction, purification, and packaging, every step demonstrates the power of industrial